Hello there, welcome back in our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you the process of finding low competition niche which it's really works if you are a beginner on starting in Amazon KDP journey. So without waste any second, let's start the video. First you come on the Chrome web store and then you are enable this extension AMZ Sniper. It's a free extension, no need to pay any cost. Okay, and then you are again come back on Amazon.com site and then you are click on this extension button which is we are now enable. After that you are see the two options, POD print on demand option which is for t-shirts, and second is KDP. This is the important for me now, and then you are enter the bold and easy coloring book. This is very important process because with the help of this process you are finding low competition niche and creating coloring book, and you can see the results if you are creating the coloring book on that topic. Okay, you are type bold and easy coloring book, don't change anything, just click on search now button. This extension redirect to on Amazon.com. Just see one thing, which book are selling right now and when these book are published date. Okay, you can see that this book summer being this book just published before 5 days, and this book gets 3 orders per day. It means if this book earn $1 and this book approximately $3 earn per day with the one book. Okay, if you take one more step you get better results. You just find that book which is published latest within 10 days and have a review. If you can see any review, that topic of the book is very good for me as well. You can see that one more title is there which have earned 2 orders, which have get 2 sales per day. But I am tell you that thing. If you see that book, you can see that this book have a one review. Okay, without review book, you can see the 3 orders, 2 orders per day like that. Okay, but with the which book have a review, you can see the results. This book sell 22, but this book 10 days. You can consider this topic also because this book under 10 to 15 days under. Okay, you can find that type of book. If you are creating coloring book on that topic, I make sure that you get the better results. This rank is very low, BSR is very good. You can imagine that this, if we are calculating the royalty, how much this author earned per day with the one book. Now you can see that royalty is coming. This author earned per day with one sale $3.15. This author earned per day with the single book $75 per day. If you are creating coloring book on that topic, I am sure that you get the result on that book at the beginning. I hope you are understand what I am convey the message, what I am try to guide you. This is very good method. If you can try, you get the better result. In that case, you can see the review but not have a sale. You can't consider this type of book. Okay, I hope you understand. That's for today. I hope you are enjoy this video. Subscribe this channel, press bell icon that you can't forget any upcoming video. Signing off.